Dan, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Yes, thank you for taking my call, Mr.
Sure.
Olsen. I got a potential problem. I just bought some new property, and along the fence line near the well, there is a tree on my neighbor's property that's leaning over into the fence. And it's already bending the fence, and I'm just afraid the next hurricane, strong wind, whatever, that tree's going to blow over, knock the fence down, and destroy my well equipment.
Okay.
Now, I think from an insurance perspective, if I didn't give them any notice or anything, it's considered an act of God, and my insurance and I have to pay for it.
Right.
But if I let the person know, what is the legal, I don't know what other term to say, ramification, if I let him know, and how should I let him know, and is that still makes it obligated that he pays to take the tree away?
Dan, the only way that he would be obligated to trim that tree or remove that tree would be if it's diseased or unhealthy or it's dead. So the very fact that it's leaning in and of itself does not make it a diseased or unhealthy or potentially dangerous tree. So Dan, okay. I think you're still on the right track by telling him that this is a problem, because the very fact that it's leaning has got you scared, and let him know that if it does come down, you would look to him for relief and monetary damages. I think you should go forward with that. I'm just not so sure you'd be successful based on this limited issue of this tree happens to be leaning.
Yeah, it's already embedded into the fence top rail. So that's the only thing. I mean, I don't mind, helping with the cost of removing the tree. I didn't know if you have to let them know by email or text or.
Well, if you want to give him notice, him notice of this defective tree, Dan, you have to do that by certified mail. You have to have evidence that he got this notice. Now, Dan, your thought about helping him to pay to remove that tree is a great idea, and I suggest that you pursue it.